everybody, it's Amanda with Planning for My Sanity and Schultz Shenanigans. I am marathoning through a bunch of flip through videos and I am having a blast with it because it is all things Disney at my house right now. And that's exciting stuff for some Disney fanatics. We went to Disney in 2019. We plan on going back as soon as things are safe and not so crazy and things are back up and running. But that being said, I am going to flip through all of these planners. I have 3 planners that I got in my order for online, and that's not counting the one that is the planner that is vertical and the blue cover and on shelves right now at Walmart. So this is the Happy Planner color block layout, and the cover is Pocahontas, Merida, and Rapunzel. And it's Always Be Brave. I'm assuming that's the name of the planner. And it says, Hello, Beautiful. I actually bought 2 of these. My daughter got one, and I got the other one. Mainly because I will want the cover. I don't know if I'll keep the guts or not. We'll see. So it says, Hello, Beautiful. Plan a happy life. A magical happy planner belongs to. And then you go to your calendar of 2021 and 2022. Artwork is amazing and gorgeous in this. Just love the colors and the coordination. There is your perpetual calendar. And then January. Never let go of your dreams. So what we saw in the previous planner is it's the same princesses that are on the cover over and over. The weekly and monthly really doesn't change much. It's mainly the dividers that change. So here is January, starts with Rapunzel. It really can't get any better than that because she's one of our favorites. And then this gorgeous collage princess theme with those rich colors. And then an element of whatever that princess is, followed by the calendar being highlighted by elements of that princess. So the sun, the flower, and the little frog. Can't ever remember his name. And then Pascal, that's his name. And then Rapunzel at the top, the sun at the bottom. This is a color block. My daughter likes actually the color block. And you kind of see, I'll flip through 1 month of all of them and then we'll just do the dividers. Same weekly. And then you've got Merida, You Control Your Destiny. Flip to the monthly. You've got one of her little brothers as a bear, the Lunar New Year, same, like these monthly views are pretty much the same. Not a lot changed in there. And then you've got Merida and elements from the movie. Only the 3rd week has a quote, don't ever give up on your dreams. Make your own magic with Pocahontas. And then your monthly view. I said I would do 1 month of every one. And then we're back to Rapunzel. And then there's the month. And then Merida with this artwork is amazing, y'all. And then the month. Like I said, things don't change inside here from month to month. Maybe the colors do? I don't know. Let's go back and look. No, the colors don't change. Nothing changes, just the dividers. And then we rotate through the same 3 princesses. So there's May, there's June, There's July. Dashboards really don't change much. August, or there's July's monthly. And then August. September. Always be wild and free. October. '30th anniversary in November of Beauty and the Beast. Mickey and Minnie's birthday. World Kindness Day, Veterans Day. Hanukkah. Just, I love the little elements of these planners. And then December, I follow my own path. Walt Disney's birthday, Kwanzaa, winter, Christmas Eve, Christmas, New Year's. And then a notes page at the back, pretty simple. So that is the color block layout. Always be brave. I mainly bought this for the discs, the covers. I don't know if I'll keep the insides or not. I haven't decided yet, but it's a beautiful planner and I am loving, loving, loving everything I'm seeing coming out of this. So that is the Always Be Brave color block layout flip through, and I'm going to get busy filming some other things. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for stopping by.